in note 2. So what is your opinion? This is 1 p.m. now. We are going for lunch break.
Yeah,
Until what time?
1, 2.
So guys, I would say, can we come in 45 minutes? Because we have 3 note to complete. Huh?
Yeah, actually.
But other notes are not very critical. This note is very critical.
ORP also you have to write ammonia at the inlet end. Because how you check in and out.
But ORP will give you, if your ammonia is more coming,
It's a combination.
yeah, it will convert into nitrate in aeration time. And that will be maintained by the O2, DO. And when you recycle it, it will cover by the ORP.
Guys, let us come back in 45 minutes if you are comfortable, because I must complete minimum 5 note today. So 3, 4, 5 is critical.
Once we completed the explain further.
This we have done. I will make it gray color.
Other notes are not.
No, others, what we have done. You have to explain other always there.
For what?
Taking them consideration.
If they have any questions.
What you have done, just brief in 5-10 minutes.
Yeah. So in note 2, we have seen all the causes of no flow, and there is no reverse flow scenario. We have considered the instrumentation what Imran has read. This is valid question, because if you don't have the correct instrumentation, correct analysis not done, probably it will impact entire process. And we have generated few recommendations, and one recommendation is on standby. Probably he can come by tomorrow, and if everybody agrees, then we can remove. Otherwise, we will keep this recommendation. This you can close later. My suggestion is, now we are closing. Before lunch time, around 1. Can we